like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we play. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong.
Hey, no snowballs up here. I got this shit.
What I want. I'll keep
Airplane.
dreaming on.
Ooh, I'm higher than the tail on that airplane. This is scary.
Stay strong when I chase like that, yeah. Play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you hate on that. I don't play both sides, don't need no cap. I'm a ride or die, my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you won't see me stack. You must not hate falls, how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call no bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face on the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide, cause you ain't worth it.
Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find the passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll feel your way out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, but I am not losing. And when they finally think you're broken, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they're trying to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else to succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I
disabled airline aircraft way over there. I couldn't make the turn. Crossing Santa Fe's main runway. And making a long drive out the disabled aircraft. Look at that. Entering runway 3315. Way out here in the boonies of Santa Fe Airport. In the middle of nowhere. Get that aircraft down there. Now entering runway 1533 with the CRJ right in front of me at the very end of this runway. Look at that. Pretty crazy. Way down there. Getting a little closer. Santa Fe Airport, runway 1533. There's the guard. Tower way over there. Getting a little bit closer. Almost there. And we're almost there. Look at that. And there it goes. After I turned it around from this spot, see my burnout marks because she's a heavy plane. Look at that. All the way out here. Now making the drive back after saving American Airlines. That one's taken off. There's the one that I saved. Yeah, what a day.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to